Well, this is going to be my dinner tonight, folks. There's some beautiful fries done in peanut oil. And over here, cooking away, country fried pork strip, fillet style, breaded and cooked in a rich peanut oil with spices. And then this here is going to be my what we call a cutie pie or patsy, which is going to go in there and fry up. That's the egg and flour mixture with spices. It's going to turn out like a little biscuit, which is going to be so good. Yes, we'll have a look when it all is done. Fries. I love making fries at home. There we go. She's done. Country fried pork steak, fillet style or butterflied, French fries, and my little biscuit to go with it, all fried in peanut oil. Very healthy meal. If you're gonna go with oil these days, please go with peanut oil. It's very low temperature to fry in and cook in. It comes out beautifully. The food is just flavorful and fantastic. Give it a try. I'm going to scrunch this down right now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's going in my tummy.